Good day, team. I'm Larry, your commander of strategy and occasional target of Kaylee's tactical humor operations.
Me?
Yeah, you.
All right. Hi, guys. I'm Kaylee, Squadron's morale officer, ready to deploy fun in the face of monotony. Let's march into our New Year's resolutions, huh, Larry?
I agree.
All right.
First, our mission list was enhancing strategic maneuvers. We'll approach every challenge with the precision of a well-planned military operation.
I like it. I like it. I'm going to be the one adding a splash of camouflage paint to those plans. Strategy with style.
I like that.
Thank
I
you.
agree.
I tried.
Secondly, I value to fortify our professional development. Think of it as brain boot camp.
Oh, everyone loves a good brain boot camp. Keep that Alzheimer's at bay.
Yes.
I'm going to be there to ensure it's not all drills and discipline, though, Larry. I mean, maybe add some obstacle course races, but with, office chairs.
I don't think our insurance is going to cover that.
I disagree. I'm going to call Amy from Harbor Insurance.
Well, we'll see about that.
Okay.
Additionally, I like to commit to leading with the decisiveness of a general and empathy as a medic this year.
I like it. I like it. I'll be there to ensure our communications are not just orders, but also include some morale-boosting messages.
I can go with morale-boosting messages.
Yeah, you're great. Keep going. Woohoo!
Furthermore, I aim to enhance our tactical collaboration. Together, we'll be an unstoppable force.
Heck yeah, 2024. Now, like a special ops team, we're awesome. But more coffee breaks, less mud.
I'm sorting the mud thing. I do enjoy a good mud bath.
I feel that. All right.
Well, lastly, I promise to maintain a balance of duty and levity. A happy team, Kaylee, is an effective team.
Agreed. I'll make sure that our barracks office is always a place for both hard work and hearty laughs.
I like that.
Did you break it already?
I think I broke it. Troops, as we embark on this new year, we want to salute your dedication and hard work. Our mission is clear. Achieve excellence with a spirit of camaraderie and a sense of humor. Here's your year of strategic victories and shared laughter.
I like it, Larry. Remember, everybody, in a military family, nobody fights alone.
Happy New Year!